shit going.
What's going on, YouTube? Murdoch is back here showing you guys the update on the garage. Today we're installing lights. Be sure to just sit back, enjoy the journey as we install these Harbor Freight lights and upgrade our shop. Let's get it.
Bro, we almost pulled off Home Depot with the shit plug in.
The worker was like, alright, here you go, see ya.
Yeah, no, the guy didn't do
it was still
like, bro,
charging.
dude, that dude didn't do anything to make sure like we didn't know what we were doing. He just was like, alright, here you boys are, like, take it easy. He didn't watch us hook it or nothing like they do at
He
U-Haul.
went out to the machine, like checked the chains, went back in, and gave Jack the paperwork.
Yeah, literally.
And then walked out with us, and all I asked was like, oh, like what size receiver, like what size is the ball? Okay, he's like, alright, see ya.
At U-Haul, they watched
Bro,
chain it down.
they wouldn't let me pull off at U-Haul without trailer lights.
Yeah, we couldn't hook
I don't
the
have the
trailer
lights
lights.
hooked up.
we drove dirty here. And we pulled off right in front of the fence.
Yeah,
the fence is in the Home Depot parking lot watching us hook this shit up.
Yeah,
We
I was looking for wood.
got the ramp.
Now, Loki, you could use
Do it the other way.
Just lay the plywood like from all the way up here.
Yeah.
It's heavy. They don't snap it. I promise.
I mean, this whole thing with the trailer is $5,000. Trailer's probably what, like 1,200 pounds?
Oh, wait, we gotta remember something.
What?
It has to get back on the trailer, and it doesn't have that much torque.
Anyway, no, it weighs 500 pounds. Wait, no, that's the max.
No, that's the maximum you can weigh on it.
We got some
There ain't no
crazy
fat trucks
bugs.
on there.
The wood.
I can't have two
I have
Alexes
ratchet
up on
straps,
that.
I'll pull it off to the trailer.
Two Alexes on there right now.
How the fuck you turn it, dude? Oh, there's missing a button. I was
It's got the
confused.
four-wheel steering, cuz. Oh yeah, I got this oil fucking V8 right now. Little, yeah, boy.
Fire.
15 gallon.
That's fire.
I mean, the wheels are made of Chinesium, but you know, it's
You can
alright.
buy new wheels and they're free.
Yeah.
These ones right here are just too tight.
Oh, you think I tightened the bolt too much?
Yeah, look, they're too tight.
Oh, I got
Those ones are
I
plastic.
impacted the fucking.
Yeah,
I
no,
zapped those
that's
fuckers.
why. That's why it's so tight.
I gotta give her a little loosen.
Yeah, loosen the bolt. Yo, there's a wasp, like an old wasp nest in the wheel of the fucking of the system.
Where?
Right here.
Back in the day.
I can't get away from it.
Tiny one.
Yeah, bro. I don't know if we killed all them.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Well, how's this one looking
right.
over here? I think these dead.
God
Yeah, I think we killed these.
Damn, there's a fat hole in the thing.
I sprayed them. Like I like gassed them, bro.
Update, we got the lights. We got the outlet installed. Got the tag on. Oh shit, there's a fly. Holy fuck. Oh.
Man, stop blowing all that shit.
Right in the center.
You good?
Yeah. Well, that's the first time I've done some dumb shit like that. I actually have a cut on my head right now from doing some shit like that.
Oh,
It's probably about to open up.
fuck, dude. I don't know. I'll have to look it up.
Goddamn, Jack. We got this mysterious steel cable. Not on the other side. The first light.
Moment of truth.
Is that light switch?
Are you sure the light switch is on?
Or
Or maybe the
breakers
breaker is
The
on?
breaker's off still.
Oh, I'll turn the breaker on.
It's gotta be. You got it,
Which one
Ken?
is it?
All right, ready?
There.
Hey!
Having worries
Took
for
a second.
It's already looking nice and bright, man.
Yeah, holy crap.
The one makes a huge difference.
Yeah, one makes it, yeah.
Lay it down.
We're just gonna dangle it like that?
Yeah, sure. Or I guess we could just back up.
Yeah. Make sure it's clear behind us, Jack. We're gonna go for the next light.
Alright,
And then hand us 2 more eye hook. The hook
which way are y'all going?
back.
So y'all wanna come to this corner?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, let me clear. No, we gotta move all this shit. We gotta move all this shit. This is good?
Oh, get the snap-on seat. Oh, nice and tight.
Based off the.
Did a little cleaning. Got the garage. Less spider webs. Still got some to go.
Hand switch. Move it forward. Okay, no, you didn't press it.
Oh, I gotta press it first and then.
Yeah.
Oh shit, no. Baby.
Go a little faster.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Look on down, man. I'm a little.
Fast as shit goes.
Yo. How do you drive the bitch over? Out this.
It's different.
The shop is coming together, slowly but surely. After some hard work, we got all the lights on. The shop, you can see tons of light. Let's go. Hell yeah!
That torque, man.
How does that side look, Jack?
Oh, we got space on this side. How do you look up? Yeah,
To the
straight.
right a little.
Straight, yeah. Yeah, I guess go to the right if you can.
Put it in fast mode. Put it in fast mode.
Damn.
Fast.
Turn the
Bro, we ain't pushing that.
turn the turtle off.
Holy shit! You were on turtle mode the whole time?
Yeah, yeah.
Holy fuck!
We got
Yeah,
that
dude,
turbo.
fuck the fast mode. Put it back in turtle. Put it back in turtle.
Hard days, hard work.
Damn, shook the whole truck. Yeah. I love this thing, bro.
Yeah, nah, it's neat.
I gotta get my eye on this.
Wait, that's great. Tying it down, all tied down. The shop is bright. The future is bright. Let's get it.